Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my subscribers, followers, and those who are my patrons, and those who use my link to buy their own Tesla. And speaking of Tesla, we have the May sales numbers in the United States. The around the world will come later on in the later video. And then some other sales that are interesting, but there are many more Teslas sold in May than in the previous few months. Let me give you the numbers and then we'll discuss them more in depth. So in the month of May, 13,950 Tesla Model 3s were sold. For the years, 46,425 Teslas were sold. Tesla Model 3s were sold, and about 24,000 in Q2 so far. Model S 1,225 and 5,474 for the year. Model X 1,375, 6,275 for the year. So altogether in the month of May so far, the numbers are not all in, 26,623 EVs and plug-in hybrids were sold, 109,123 from the beginning of the year of 2019, and only Teslas, 58,175 from the beginning of it. So let's focus for just a bit about the Q2, and this is only the United States. So in the United States, 24,000 so far. There's also one more month, and then also all the sales of overseas. So the numbers are by far this month better than the previous month, especially January. So Elon Musk is insisting that Tesla has enough orders to be delivered in Q2 to match or even maybe exceed the phenomenal numbers that Tesla achieved in Q4 of last year. And as you know, the stock was suffering tremendously in the last, really from the beginning of the year, but especially in the last couple weeks. And that news, the stock went up as of Tuesday, June 4th, by over more than $12. So we'll see what happened. Other news in EV sales: Bolt EV sold 1,396, 6,622 for the year. Nissan Leaf 1,216, more than last month, 4,852, but still not that great numbers. I mean, how have the mighty fallen? Very, very, very small numbers. And e-tron for the second month in the United States doubled the sales from last month, 856 Audi e-trons. So we'll see what happens. I will give you more updates this week, hopefully with global numbers for Tesla, especially Europe and China, and we'll take it from there. All right, guys, thank you. I'll keep you updated. If you have any question or comment, put it below. See you tomorrow.